Assalam-o-Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, I hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start our work. Okay, student of class 5th, open your workbook at page number 4. And today we have to do questions, answers of unit number 1, Gulliver and Lilliput, at page number, workbook page number 4. Answers the question. First question is, why were the Lilliputians able to tie up Gulliver? And its answer is, the Lilliputians were able to tie up Gulliver because he was sleeping. The Lilliputians were able to tie up Gulliver because he was sleeping. Next question is, list the things in the passage that prove that the Lilliputians were very small. First point is small arrows and spears. Second point is use of ladder. Third point is loaves of bread. Third question is, if you become very tiny like the Lilliputians, what are the things you would like to do? And answer is, I would like to play hide and seek with my family. I would like to become investigator. Now we have to do our last question. Question number 4. What do you think Gulliver will do next? Answer is, I think Gulliver will become the friend of Lilliputian and help them in their worst time. Okay students, remember that you have to use lead pencils on your workbook. Don't use ink pen, remover and whitener. And kindly use 4 lines on to write. Kindly use 4 lines. Okay student, write on your lines and remember to use lead pencil. Okay, we have to again revise our chapter. Why were the Lilliputians able to tie up Gulliver? The Lilliputians were able to tie up Gulliver because he was sleeping. Second question is, list the things in the passage that prove that the Lilliputians were very small. Small arrows. First point is small arrows and spears. Second point is use of ladder. Third is loaves of bread. Third question is, if you become very tiny like the Lilliputians, what are the things you would like to do? I would like to play hide and seek with my family. I would like to become investigator. Fourth question is, what do you think Gulliver will do next? I think Gulliver will become the friend of Lilliputian and help them in their worst time. Okay student, I hope you all understand the work. Okay student, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.